the couple that I'll always remember best was actually in a workshop, but both of us had done some individual work with them as well. I mean, some couples work, but this was a couple who had been married for 10 years, and they didn't talk about anything. I mean, there were addiction issues, there were, other issues, definitely. And we taught them a process of communication called the initiator inquirer, which is something that we train a lot of our clients in. And we can't go into it today, but it's a whole process that provides developmental assists so people learn to be able to go deeper with each other. But in one of their dialogues, she said to him, "Do you really, really want to know how I feel?" And he said, "Yes, we haven't talked about it. I really want to know." And she said, "I pray for your death."
And this guy's in good physical condition.
Uh-huh.
Now, the normal response for a lot of therapists would be, let's gloss this over as quickly as we can.
Oh my. Yeah.
I mean, this is not a conversation you want to go into.
Oh my. Yeah.
But we encouraged him to actually think about a question to ask her. Like, how could you ask her actually to tell you more about this? And he took a long time, and you could watch the wheels spinning in his head.
Sure.
And then he turned to her and he said, "And just how long have you been praying?" Which was a wonderful, wonderful question. And we gave him a lot of support for asking that question. And she proceeded with some help and a little coaching to say, she'd been praying for 10 years because she was Catholic. She couldn't imagine a way out of the marriage other than him dying. And,
she didn't want a divorce. And if he died, that would be the solution.
Oh boy, that's, yep.
So it's really cool. The next day in the workshop, they're walking down the highway and there's this big truck coming at them. And he says to her, "Well, now's your chance." And she said, "Well, at that moment, the hourglass of our marriage turned upside down because I realized I could start talking to him about what's the deepest secrets in my heart and he could handle it."